Okay, this is an unboxing of my Esky HDTV antenna. Just got it from Amazon. Let's see how this thing looks. I don't like that. Look at that big hole in the freaking box. That's not a good sign. And there's no hole in the cardboard box, so that means they packed this thing with the way it was. That's not cool. That's not cool at all. Hopefully nothing's damaged or lost. Well, let's try to open it up anyway. The box wasn't even sealed. Let's see what we got here. Got the cable. Cable looks like it's got a lot of scuff marks on it, almost like it's been used. You gotta be kidding me. This thing has been used. It's not even in here correctly. You gotta be kidding me. Come on, Amazon. Son of a bitch. It can't be packed like this. Put this down, look at the rest. Here's the manual. I mean, everything looks like it's just thrown in here. This has even got scuff marks on it. Son of a bitch. Oh boy. I don't know if I should return this or not. It did have a big discount, but you can see like little dents in here. Look closely, you can see little dents, little imperfections. Almost looks like it's been used for a little while. I've been waiting for this too. I don't want to freaking just turn it around. I don't know what to say right now. I don't know what to do right now. I guess if as long as it works, you know, might as well keep it. Hopefully I'm not losing any pieces in here. Well, I'm going to have to put this thing together and then add on to the video.